Today is Tuesday, December 12th. I had 5 hours of sleep last night because I had my other business that I did a shoot for, which was a proposal shoot at Point Doom in Malibu. So that took half of my day to prep, to shoot, and then to edit, because I usually do sneak peeks on the next day. And since today I am going to be at Netflix for their holiday market, I needed to prep, so I figure I edited my photos last night, and then I also asked my husband to help me prep for today. After our Jackalope show like 2 days ago, I didn't really have time to count inventory or kind of reorganize what I may need to bring today because there's a different setup. So I'm so grateful that my husband was able to help me last night, and then we worked until like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was so tired. I have to wake up early this morning just to kind of finish up what I needed to prep for the show. I just don't want to spend too much time at the booth doing prep work, so rather doing it at home, bring it over, so when I get to the venue later, all I have to do is just lay things out and focus on selling my products. I can't wait to see what that event is all about, and I will bring you along, obviously, to the event today, and I will check in again later. Bye for now. Here it is. I see the Netflix building on the left. Hello, I'm checking in for the Greener event.
Personal pass ready.
Okay.
No,
I don't, they gave me a map, but I don't know how to get there.
Oh, you're unloading and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So if you make a left right here by Step 9, go all the way down to make one more left. You're gonna see like a little unload shop, and like people like there's like a little big hole for you to like back into.
Do I go through that hallway between Station 9?
Yeah, so make a left right here at Station 9.
Oh, at
all
left.
the way down, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve.
This is
Christmas Eve.
Station 9. I guess they have their own studio.
I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it, no. Been thinking about you and me.
I am here for the Greener gifting event. Yeah.
I got nothing on my Christmas list.
Part of dance here. Okay, thank you.
I love
Okay.
the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade.
I just parked. I'm going to the lot now. Oh, you can see it from here. So it's like right there, that hole. And I'm going down. So I highly recommend to pre-load, if you're doing this by yourself, you should always preload your wagon and just kind of make sure you know how you're gonna load your wagon, how you're gonna load the car, so when you get to the site, you're not just like all panicky and trying to unload everything and then everything started falling on the ground. So I think what I did this morning was very helpful, and my unload was like less than 15 minutes, and then good thing is there's no stairs, so I just wheel it in because it's a studio kind of space. So, oh, it looks like they have Wolfgang catering today. So excited. Thank you for your help. that's like their banner. Ooh, that's my main one. Some people already have their stuff all ready. So I'm gonna do like a quick scan. It looks like this. I have like 2 tables today because I'm doing gift wrapping. So this is like my area. But I'm not sure if I really need 2 tables, so I may have to combine these 2 tables. Also, I'm not sure where they're gonna put the video screen. Maybe I should ask. I've identified where I'm gonna do all my setup, and I'm gonna have a 65-inch monitor. I'm gonna have it between my two 8-foot tables, as they give me 2 8-foot tables, which is maybe a little too excessive. I will take what I get and then work with it because I don't always get that much space. So I'm gonna do my setup here. I mean, they didn't say I can't have a backdrop, so I'm gonna have my backdrop. Feet. I'll go 4 feet. There's a total of 13 style, and then plus 1 that is what do you call it? DIY.
In a second, you'll see how it all came together. Tray of Furoshiki DIY kits, exactly how I envisioned it. There are some extra Sharpies and extra inventory that I can still put together. As I was putting together these DIY kits, there were a few people who came by to say hello and chat. As you can tell, I'm always trying to juggle with, doing everything and trying to maintain eye contact and have conversations with people is always hard for me. And there it is. That's how it all came together with a nice backdrop. Very grateful for this giant display. This side of the table, not so great just because I think there's no backdrop to block out all the mess in the background, but I'm grateful for the extra space. And it looks like everyone is ready to go. They're closing the gate right there.
Okay, I'm here at Netflix, and this is their decor. There's also their holiday party. They're gonna have a bunch of people coming, which is awesome. So much fun. Let's see. Let's take a look at their food. Okay. I'm gonna scroll on their food, their merch, their food. So we're gonna go down. Plant provision, a lot of beautiful fresh plants. Thank you. All right, it's Canyon Coffee.
Oh, it's all happening. How I feel like I'm on like one of those like TikTok interviews where they're like, do you want to?
No, I like this.
Well, my name's Christian. I work for Canyon Coffee. Canyon has been around since 2015 officially. 16 officially. We have a shop in Echo Park in Los Angeles, but we roast and are based out of downtown. We have all organic and regenerative organic coffees, but what you're seeing is a lot of collaborations with ceramicists we work with, New York Times best-selling instant coffee, and yeah, some of our merch as well. Yeah, and we're also doing drinks on tap that are popular at our shop as well. So, yeah.
Hi, we're Sustain LA. We're a zero waste refill station in Highland Park where you can come and refill household cleaners and body care products and find sustainable plastic-free alternatives to everyday essentials. That's also our rental table. We also offer affordable event rentals.
Well, the new bar is a non-alcoholic drinks bottle shop that is located in Venice, and we are opening another one in WeHo and in San Francisco later in January. We have various spirits, wine alternatives, de-alcoholized wines, and
Beers.
various beers and spritzes and bitters and just about anything you might need for making your own cocktails, mocktails, and yeah, good drink setups.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Joanne, and I'm here at Greener for Netflix. This is, I make sustainable, one-of-a-kind clothing out of vintage textiles. I'm a classically trained fashion designer turned, I guess, indie designer. But yeah, I'm excited to be here.
Alright, so I want to do a check-in because this show is only 1 hour, so we don't actually have a lot of foot traffic. Even though like everybody just came all at once in the beginning, they kind of take a stroll because I think there's only like 13 or 18 vendors, so it's quick for them to just kind of, you know, take a look to see if they like it. If they don't, then just go back to the office because it's actually during the office hours. I did make some sales, so I'm excited, but I'm glad that I get this opportunity, and I look forward to the next one again. We haven't wrapped up yet, but it's already 1 hour in, so I'm actually wrong about that it's only 1 hour. It just looks like it was 1 hour because a lot of people left around 4:30, but it's actually until 5:30. No wonder like no one is wrapping up yet. It's 4:49 right now. And there are still people strolling in and just picking stuff up here and there. So hopefully there are more people coming in the next 30 minutes. I forgot to mention that this show was invited by the workers here, private invitation. And I want to thank Maddie for inviting me to the show. I chat with you a little bit, but I didn't see you again during the show, so hopefully you'll come by later, but if not, we're always on our website. And thank you so much for inviting me to this event. It was a lot of fun, even though it's a little bit short. I like the vibe is happening for the holidays. And yeah, I look forward to the next one. All right. Just wanted to vlog one last time to close this vlog. So I packed up everything. Let's see, what time is it actually? It's 6:26. The show ended at 5:20, 5:30. So within 1 hour, unpack everything. I'm also like one of the last 3 to leave, and that's all good. Very efficient. And so heading home now. I had a good event, and we'll definitely want to come back. Even though it's a lot of work, I think it's a good exposure, good way to get connected with people and just sharing the love of Furoshiki and sustainability. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Did you know Furoshiki comes in many standard sizes? They are meant to wrap and use for different sized objects. Are you wondering how to find the right size of Furoshiki? I've got you covered. Check out this post from our website to learn more about how to find the best size furoshiki for you. You can scan this QR code on the screen, click on the link on the top right corner, or find a link in the description below.